Okay, so take a look at the two of the cameras. The left ones have the 4G and the right ones have the Wi-Fi. So now the Wi-Fi is of the support of 2.4G, and the 4G expected from the coverage range from Europe, United States, and all over throughout China. So talking about the back, they got the waterproof protections. It's of the many connected with the solar panels, so take a charge around 4 hours. So yeah, I can connect out the 3.5 watt solar panels in 50 seconds without sleep. Especially at night, we got a free infrared alerts, so you can change the color mode, especially at day and at night. Also support video playback. Thanks for watching.